Hello, welcome to another training session. Hope you enjoyed the last videos. Today we are going to design a product flyer. We're going to design a product flyer today. So what is a product flyer? A product flyer is a form of paper advertisement intended for wide distribution. Maybe you have a particular product you want to advertise. Maybe you have a car shop, an electronic shop, a hairdressing complex that you want to advertise. You do that on a piece of paper. That explains the product you intended for advertisement. That is a product flyer. So what does it compose of? In order for you to design a product flyer, you need 5 things. There are 5 things you need to do. There are 5 things you need to do in designing a product flyer. Number 1, you must use a high quality image. The reason why the image must be of high quality is that use it to attract customers. If you use an image of low quality, customers may look down on your advert. But when you use an image of high quality, it really attracts more customers. So in the last video, I showed you how you can get these images. Either you go to png3.com, pngwing.com, freepik.com. You go in any of those sites, we pick images of high quality. You can even go to Google and download your images. So now, another thing is you have to focus on the benefits. This product that you are advertising, what are the benefits of this product? Most people are attracted more to benefits. When they see a particular benefit in that product, then they will be attracted to it. The third thing you have to note is that you have to give a clear call to action. In the project where we'll be designing a product flyer, you will see what a call to action is. But let me just give you an overview. A call to action is like telling the people maybe to call you, putting your contact on the on the flyer, putting your Facebook contact, your WhatsApp contact, your Instagram contact. That's a clear call to action. I should put it in such a way that it is observable. They can easily see it. The fourth thing, you have to offer a discount rate or a discount code. Once people see that discount rate or that discount code, they will be more attracted to it. And lastly, you must be careful of the colors and the fonts you use in your design. Be careful of the colors. Use colors that are attractive. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how to design a product flyer from scratch. So you have to pay more attention and follow the video step by step so that you won't miss anything. And again, I want to beckon on you that have not yet subscribed. Please hit the subscribe button, like this page, and hit the notification bell. So in today's tutorial, I will take you up straight in designing a product flyer. Just be calm and pay more attention. Thank you. So guys, in this project, in this tutorial, this is what we'll be designing. We'll be designing a product flyer like this. You see a car, need a car, get the best price here. So you see that all those 5 things that we explain are here. Number 1, a high definition, a high quality image. Look at the car. That car is of high quality image. I downloaded this car in pngwing.com. So that's why I downloaded this car. And you see the benefits. Need a car, get the best price here. So the benefit here is that you get the best price. Another thing, clear call to action. You can see my contact there, my WhatsApp contact, my email contact, and my address. Other thing we talked on offer a discount rate. You can see I'm giving a 75% discount off. And again, the fifth thing, you say customize with brand colors and font. You see the font is good, the colors, see that the image colors matches with that of the car. So what I'm going to do now is that we'll design this same flyer. I'm going to show you how I design this same flyer step by step. And as you learned from the last video, that if you are given a project maybe by a client to design a flyer, all you need to do is to go on Google and search maybe you have been given, a job to design a flyer for, let me say, a shoe company. Go on Google and type product flyer for shoe companies so that you see how they look like. Yeah, so when you see how they look like, then you can know how to put in your own design. Not everyone was born creative, but you that you know that you are creative, you can go on, use your creative skills. But if you know that you are not creative, it's not a limitation. Just go to google.com, you search other types of images that relate to the one you have been given, and you see various sort of designs, and you try to take that design and you modify it, so that it looks something better. So that is how it is. So right away, I want us to go into our pixellab and kickstart with the design of this flyer. Okay guys, we are now in pixellab. So the first thing I will do is that I'll go and import that image so that we can be, looking at the image while designing. Let me go and import that image. Okay guys, this is the image. I'm going to design this image step by step. So the first thing I want to take note is that you have to, edit the flyer size. You have to give it a more appropriate size. So if you look at it well, it is in the form of a rectangular. It has a rectangular shape. So all you need to go is to go to your image size tab, and see how you have to edit the size of that image. So you see it is more of a rectangle. You see that the height has been reduced. So let us try something out. Let us put height 1000, width, let's put width 1000 and see. Okay, it looks something, it looks something good. So we use this one exactly. So look again, look at the background color. It is like something like ash, something like that. The background color, not too dark. So you have to use that very background color which is used there. So you come here, you see color. You look for that same color. I think this is a color here. I think there's a color. So what are we to do next? The next thing to be done there, if you look at the bottom left hand corner, you see something like an arrow. Where my contact is, see something like an arrow. So from that very arrow, that same arrow, so all we need to do now is to go to our shapes. Take this shape, try and change the color to ash, because that's what the color is. Okay, arrange it. Okay, go back to our shape again, bring the same rectangle, arrange it this way, copy, bring the same image, rotate, put it this way. Put it in such a way that you form that shape. If you look very well, if you look at that ash shape, you see that even though it will not be formed accurately like the one on the flyer bed, something like that. So you see that something like that has been formed. So all you need to do now is to go and bind them together. Bind the three images, the two white and the one ash. Bind them together. So it has been bind together. So you go now to the eraser color. This is the eraser color. Click on it. You click enable. See that it has been formed. It has been formed now. Even though it's not exactly like that one, but something like that has been formed. Okay, so if you look at it very well, you see that it's occupying a lot of space here. See these gaps where that square line is around it. You see that there's a lot of gap there. So what can we do now in order to minimize that space that this object is occupying? Okay, go back to shapes, click on the background, go to shapes, get this square shape. Let me keep this one from being mobile. Minimize this one till it enters the hash object. Minimizing until it losses inside the hash object. It has now become a tiny dot. I'll go back, bind them together. Both of them have been bind. You see now it is occupying less space. So all I need to do now is just to position it as it is being positioned on that flyer. Let me position it. Okay, so I'm done with that one. And if you look at the top right hand corner, you see the same image there at the top right hand corner where that car is. I see some, an arrow, something like an arrow. The top right hand corner, you see the same image. So all I do is copy this one. After copying, I have to rotate it. I go to 3D rotation, y axis, I increase. So I put it up here now. Okay, it's okay like that. So what is left again? You see the shape where that car is inside. It's like shape of a diamond where that car is inside. So I'll go back and import that same shape. Let me close this one so that it will not be mobile. So I'll go to shapes, let me go to shapes. This is it. This is the image. All I will do now is I will go to opacity. This is the opacity icon. I reduce the opacity from 100 to 0. I click okay. Now I go to stroke, enable stroke. For stroke, I will take the ash color, this same ash color, increase the stroke. You see that nothing is coming out from the stroke. Okay, let us disable the stroke. Let's go to colors. We choose the background color. First of all, let us go and increase the opacity back to 100. Then we go to colors now. Choose the background color. Go back to stroke. Increase the stroke. Something like that. Okay. So you see that actually the design is coming out. Okay. So let us pull this one down. Try to enlarge. Put it on this other background here. Let's enlarge again. Let's reduce a bit. I think it's okay like this. Let's put it inside. Okay. At this level, I think it's okay like this. Let's put them in place. So what do we have to design next? I think for now, if you look under that arrow shape structure, you see something like, it seems like as if it's suspending. You look under those arrow shape structures, we see something dark, and those are shadows. So we'll put shadows under them. You click on this one. put shadow, go to the shadow icon, click on it, enable shadow. Yeah, so choose the shadow color to be black. So increase. Yeah, so you see that the shadow is coming out. Okay, let's go and do that for this other one. Shadow, choose black, then go to Y now. Since they're going down, go to X. Okay, yeah, so put Y at 0 so that we balance. Offset Y, put it at 0. Okay, let me take the one behind. Yeah, so you see that we have put the shadow there. Okay, the next thing we have to do, let me see, what are we to do next? Is to import the car. Now, as I earlier told you, this car, if you're asked to design a product, just go to pngwing.com or pngtree.com or freepik.com, or even go to Google and download the corresponding product. Yeah, so this car it has already been downloaded. I'll just go and upload it. So this is the car. Yeah, I must be of high quality image. Yeah, so I try to reduce a bit. Okay, I think this way is okay. So what are we to do next? See, need a car, get the best price here. Okay, now we are to input the various writings. So now you have to be very careful, yeah, with the type of fonts that you choose. As you have seen from those websites, you can go to those websites and download those fonts, because your designs, as you earlier saw from the video, what makes a good design, you have the image, the layout, the fonts, and so on. So you have to choose a good font. So need a car, let us go straight away to writing that. Need a car. Okay, let me bring this in the car down. Let me go to align and align the image. So this is a font I use. Abril fat face regular, the third font, Abril fat face regular. Yeah, that's the font. Get the best price here. Get the best price here. So I think the font I use for this one is, let me see, what font did I use? I think it should be Coprum regular, this one. Yeah, let me reduce the size. Okay, I'm done with that one. What do we have next? Book now. So you see that book now, you see how where that background is lying on the background of that book now is something like, black. Seems like it's lying on the black background. So how do we do that? How do we input that black background? You come here, look for background. This is it, background. Click on it, enable it, choose the color of background. I want black. Yeah, so just edit the various properties. Left padding 3, right padding 3, top padding 3, bottom padding 3, radius. Let me see, what radius will I use? Leave the radius at 15. Yeah, let me leave it at 15. So the book now should be under it. The one next. So you see 75% off. That's a discount. That's a discount I'm giving, 75%. And remember, not that I had to create this background, that red background where that 75 is standing on. No, just went to pngwing.com. I search for discount or price tag. You will see the various types of discounts and price tag, and you just download your desired discount that you want to put on your flyer. So this one, it has already been downloaded. Okay, now I don't have anything to do with this image, so I've done most of the design. So all I will do now is to delete this image. Yeah, we import the discount tag. Okay guys, so that's it right down there. Yeah, so all I'm left to do now is to input my information. I know for me to input those information is not something that is difficult. You yourself, you can do it. Just go ahead to those websites and download the Facebook icon, the WhatsApp icon, email icon, website icon, your address icon, and all those icons. Yeah, and so you can do them. Yeah, so instead for me taking time again putting all those things, I think yourself you can do it. Yeah, so we have come to the end of the design. So you see, that was something very simple. So even you can do the same design. Yeah, so with this design, people do this design on Fiverr, they earn $50. Yeah, some do it for $25, some do it for $75, based on your client that you have met and based on the type of design. Yeah, based on the type of design and your client. So right away, we are going to design your project and submit. Let's see what you design for your project. Okay, so you will design a product flyer for an HP laptop. Use any price tag. Design a product flyer for a car. Yeah, this is what we did. So you do same. Yeah, use different design. Go on Google and search different design. Take some and try to modify. And design a product flyer for a fashion store. Use any price tag. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I want to call on your attention again. If you have not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Remember, you have to do your project and submit your project to the designated email. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.